Namaste, this is the class of analysis and today we will study about the single detailed of single beam instrumentation and double beam instrumentation. So in single beam instrumentation, source, lens and entrance slit is here you can see from the source light is passed through the lens and entrance slit enter to the entrance slit where it is dispersed and fall on the objective lens, then it fall on the gradient and then light is controlled and through the exit slit a single beam of light is fall on the sample cell, then it fall on the filter and then on the photomultiplier tube. On photo tubes it gives the signal and the reading. So after passing through the source, the light strike the surface of detector, which we called as barrier layer cell or phototube, and produce the electric current. The output of electric current is measured by the deflection of needle of light spot galvanometer or microammeter. This meter is calibrated in terms of transmittant as well as optical density. The reading of the solution of both standard and unknown are recorded in optical density unit after adjusting instrument to a reagent blank. Next is double beam. Double beam instrument is the one in which two beams formed in the space of a U-shaped mirror. So it is called split or beam chopper. So because of the two beams is used here or formed here, it is known as double beam spectroscopy. Chopper is a device consisting of a circular disc. One third of the disc is opaque and one third is the transparent, and the remaining one or the third one we can say it as a mirror. It split the monochromatic beam of light into two beams of equal intensity. So here you can see how the four mirrors are used here and how it is known as double beam, because from the two sides the beam is coming and they are combined to form a double beam UV spectroscopy. So the advantage of the single and the double beam spectroscopy is single beam is very easy to use and it is economical, while double beam is facilitated rapid scan over wide lander region. Fluctuation due to radiation source is minimum here. It does not require adjustment of transmittance of 0% and 100% of each wavelength. It gives ratio of intensity of sample and reference beam instantaneously. What is the disadvantage? In single beam, any fluctuation in the intensity of radiation source affect the absorption. So, continuous spectrum is not obtained in the single beam, and in the double beam, construction is complicated and instrument is expensive, but it is more accurate than the single beam. Hope you will like the video. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.